Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, today's podcast. If you are just starting to learn English, this episode is for you. Don't worry if you know only a few English words. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practicing a little every day and improving step by step. Today, we will talk about how to learn English at the A1 level, how to build good study habits, and how to become more confident in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. What is the A1 level? The A1 level is the first stage of English learning. At this level, you learn simple words, basic grammar, and everyday conversations. You learn how to introduce yourself, ask simple questions, understand easy sentences, and talk about your daily life. For example, hello, my name is Rifat. I am from Bangladesh. I live in Riyadh. I like coffee. I work every day. These simple sentences are the foundation of English. Build your vocabulary. Vocabulary is one of the most important parts of learning English. Learn words you use every day. Start with topics such as family, food, clothes, colors, numbers, time and weather, school, work, home. Don't just memorize words. Use them in short sentences. For example, the sky is blue. I eat rice every day. My brother is a student. Learn basic grammar. You do not need difficult grammar at the A1 level. Focus on be verbs, am, is, are, present simple, present continuous, can/can't, there is/there are, articles, a and the, basic questions. Example, I am happy. She is cooking. They play football. There is a book on the table. Can you help me? Practice these every day. Listening. Practice. Listening trains your ears to understand English naturally. Listen to beginner podcasts, blogs, slow English videos, children's stories, short conversations. Listen every day, even if you don't understand everything. Reading practice. Read simple English texts. Good materials include children's books, easy news, beginner English stories, short dialogues. Read slowly and repeat difficult sentences. Speaking practice. Speak every day. You can talk to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your family. Describe your daily routine. Repeat after native speakers. Confidence grows through practice. Writing practice. Write 5 or 10 simple sentences every day. Example, today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I studied English. I watched a podcast. I learned 10 new words. Writing helps you remember vocabulary and grammar. Learn useful daily expressions. Examples. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Please help me. Excuse me. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. These expressions are useful in real conversations. Pronunciation. Listen carefully and repeat. Practice sounds slowly. Don't speak too fast. Clear pronunciation is better than fast pronunciation. Daily study plan. 30 to 60 minutes each day. 10 minutes vocabulary, 10 minutes grammar, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes writing. Consistency is more important than studying for many hours once a week. Common beginner mistakes. Many beginners fear making mistakes. Translate every word. Give up too early. Skip speaking practice. Avoid these habits. Mistakes help you learn. Stay motivated. Learning English takes time. Celebrate small achievements. Learning 10 new words is success. Understanding 1 new podcast is success. Speaking 1 complete sentence is success. Every small improvement matters. Learn through your interests. Watch videos about topics you enjoy. If you like sports, watch sports interviews. If you enjoy cooking, watch cooking videos. Learning becomes more enjoyable when you study topics you love. Think in English. Instead of translating every sentence, try thinking directly in English. For example, I'm hungry. It's hot today. I need water. This habit develops naturally with daily practice. Often review old vocabulary every week. Read your old notes. Repeat old listening lessons. Revision helps move information into long-term memory. Be patient. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Some days you will improve quickly. Other days you may feel stuck. Keep practicing anyway. Progress comes through consistency. Final motivation. Remember this: every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once struggled with simple words. If you practice every day, your English will improve. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Read every day. Listen every day. Speak every day. Write every day. Learn one step at a time. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Never stop learning. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. I hope this guide helps you begin your English learning journey with confidence. Keep practicing, enjoy the process, and remember that every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next episode. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.